What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the little notification bell, that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. You always want to make sure you're starting out with a primer of some sort. I tend to like to use concealer, and the best concealer that I like using for my eyes is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I use 1 to 2 shades lighter than I actually am. So this is in the shade Warm Honey, and that's what I recommend for you. Whatever color that you are, go at least 1 to 2 shades lighter for your eyeshadow looks, because that's what's going to make your eyeshadow looks pop. You can use an eye product that's specifically geared for the eyeshadows, or to help grab the eyeshadows, and that would be the Louise Base Pro. Also, you can use any brand of eye primer, and this right here is the Morphe Eyelid primer. You guys, please let me know if you've used this, if you like using this. I've used this about 5 to maybe even 10 times at the most, and I hate this product. I cannot get it to work for me. I don't know what it is about this product, but it doesn't work for me, y'all. So help me make this work. And I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. Just a generous amount. Next, you want to pat the concealer into your eyelid, and you just want to pat it all over. Just like so. And once you do so, I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to tap, lightly tap, very lightly tap in the concealer thus further. And this is just going to kind of help set the concealer and make sure it doesn't move. I'm going to go back and forth between the two, so I'm going to tap in the yellow a bit, and then I'm going to tap in the brown. Just keep going back and forth like this. Now I'm just strictly using the brown shade, and you want to make sure you're just tapping it into your skin first. You do not want to start pulling and dragging the eyeshadow all over the place. You just want to tap ever so lightly, tap all of the color that you need to into your crease area, because you just want to build it up first before you start blending it out. I'm just going to lightly tap into this shade and put it in my lower crease. And a tip for blending ever so lightly is just using these 3 fingers. 1 to control where it goes, and 2 to just hold on to it. Dipping back into the light brown shade that I first used when I started, I'm going to go and blend out the top area right here. Gorgeous bronze shade right here, since we are keeping it neutral. And I'm just going to build up the color on the brush like this. For the maximum color, I'm just going to hold the same brush up and spritz it with water on both sides. I'm going to go into this chocolate brown shade right here, and we're going to deepen up the outer corner. And we're going to go into this light tan color right here, and we're going to bounce back and forth between these two. And then we're just going to tap that color into the brow bone. Next, we're going to go back into that blending brush, and again, we're not going to add any more color to it. We're just going to blend out that brow bone highlight. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe if you're not already part of the QueenDollFacee family. And thank you so much for watching, and as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls, and until next time, hasta luego!